Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk /f/r c : and hit enter to execute this command. Now type c : and hit enter. Now we need to type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command cd space c : /. Now type this command cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bcdedit space /export space c : /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type attrib c : / boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now type ren space c : /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.